Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to reconcile your account. If you haven't had the program, you can go download at myhomesoftware.com. You have the option to download desktop app or Android app if you have a Android phone. An Android app allow you to enter transactions on the go and allow you to take a picture of the receipt similar to what we have in here. Let's go back into the desktop app. If you haven't create account, you have the option to create an account. Once you have the account, you can log in. I already have a simple account create for this. So if you go into checking account, I have this checks beam created so that we can use this as an example to demonstrate how to reconcile a checking account. I already entered some transactions, as you can see on the withdrawal section and the deposit section. I also enter beginning balance. So now I have everything to reconcile this particular checking account. At the end of your month, you will receive a monthly statement from your bank. You can compare that statement to the one that you're using, like my home software. So let's say at the end of the month you see a statement. You can compare those by check each of the transactions that are available on the bank statement, and once you check everything that are available on the bank statement, and you will see that all the data are showed up. So this is the total deposit because I have checked 3, and this is the total withdrawal for the one that I have slapped. So the ending balance is 1,000. So you just need to look at your bank statement and check the imbalance to make sure that it is 1,000. If 1,000, you see the post option that allow you to post this. Once you post, it will show up in your history for that particular month. For whatever reason, somehow your ending balance is not 1,000, different from this total balance, it is mean that you're missing some data, either on your withdraw on your deposit, or some of the amount you enter incorrect. So you have to double check your amount and double check all the transactions to make sure that everything math and correctly. Let's say if this is only showed up at 900 and you're missing 100, then this considered as not correct reconcile. So you have to make sure you can, in order for it to reconcile, you have to make sure that everything match up and equals to the ending balance that are available on your bank statement. So for this case, you can enter 1,000, 100, and once you select this, it will show that now everything correct, and it will give you the option to post again. And if you believe that the one that you just enter like the testing you just enter, you haven't used, you not sure how this 100 got spammed because you haven't entered during that time, you can either try to remember if you have used that. Otherwise, you think that this is a fraud, you will have to contact your bank and verify that this is not fraud and this is something you have used in the past, but you just forgot to enter in your My Home Software account. So once you have everything verified, it will give you the option to post. When you hit the post, it will give you the option to select the monthly statement. So for example, for this one in August, you could select August and click OK. Everything that you select will be moved to history, and this is what you have left. So if you go into history, you will see that in August, this is all the transaction that you have spent for August. It gives you the option, the total deposit and total withdrawal for that particular transaction. It also gives you this graph telling you how much you spend for each category, and it also have a section telling you how much total interest, total deposit, and total withdrawal that you have. So this is how you reconcile your account. That is similar to checking and saving and credit card. The way you reconcile is the same. You just need to make sure that all the data that you enter match the data that on your bank statement. For whatever reason it doesn't match, you will have to enter that data into My Home Software in order for you to reconcile, and you can call your bank statement to verify that if you have spent this transaction or not, because you forgot to enter, or either you forgot to enter or there is some incorrect transaction that someone might using your account for something else. So this is how you reconcile your account. Remember, this is a free personal finance software. You can download, again, you can go download online at myhomesoftware.com and select the desktop app versions if you want to use that in your computers, or if you have an Android phone, you can download both the Android app for your phone. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.